What's up everybody, Derek here, and welcome to the river. I hiked forever to get down to this spot because it gets shallow. Usually this river is pretty deep in sections, but today the water's down a little bit and there are spots like that back there behind me that have to be loaded with some panfish and some bass. So I'm gonna come in here with a small little swim bait and see if I can't fish this thing like a little minnow and see if I can get a big bass to eat a small lure. Or at least that's my goal. These are Walmart cheap lures. So if I can hang a 4 or 5 pound bass on this thing, it's gonna be pretty epic, or at least that's my goal to do today. But hiked down here, avoided some snakes. There could be more snakes, I have no idea, but it is warm, I am sweating, and I am ready to get to fishing. So let's get going. All right, I'm gonna start in this little spot right here where the current kind of comes through and it gets fairly deep right here, so hopefully there's some bass that are sitting here wanting to eat. I'll let that thing kind of sink down a little bit, pop my rod tip, just see what happens. I know there's got to be some bass out there. Oh, that looks just like a minnow. Oh, this dog followed me and he just keeps jumping in. Hope he's not going to mess up my fishing. Oh, come on, dog. I don't even know whose dog that is, but it sure... I don't know what he's doing, if he's trying to get up or what. It's a cool dog. Followed me down here, but... man, he's messing up all my fishing. Bass got it, bass got it. Get over here. Oh, that's a good looking one too. Oh, is this muddy? Oh, how am I? There, I got him. Got him. Look at the red eyes on that dude. Oh, I got him by the gill. He swiped at it. That's a Guadalupe bass right there. That was pretty cool. Dang. Yep, he's got the little rough patch. Little fatty, jeez. Oh, well, sorry, bud. And he's gone. Oh, there's some panfish down there trying to eat it. Sink a little bit. Oh, there was a fish right there. Oh, something popped it again right there. There's so many panfish down there trying to eat it. Dang. All right, nada right here, so I think I'm gonna go up here and see if I can't cast down in. There's some shallow stuff on the other side of that stump. There's my new buddy right there, following me everywhere. We'll go right over here and see if we can't cast down into there. What in the world? Look at that. That thing must have just settled right here after the flood. That's crazy. What kind of kayak is that? That's a little bitty sucker too. Let's see. Let me flip it over. Oh yeah. What in the world? It's not registered or nothing? Huh. Looks like I just got a new kayak here. Let's What's this? Oh, it's got some attachments. What brand is this? I don't even know. What brand do you think that is, you guys? Huh. Well, looks like I'm taking that back with me. Well, no, I'm thinking about it. How the heck am I gonna... I'm gonna walk around up in here and see if there's a paddle somewhere. Wouldn't that be some dumb luck if I find a kayak and then I find a paddle up in here? Dang, this water got way up here. I guess I'll climb up there and see if I can see anything up here. Oh. Whew. What a view. That's a good view of the river down there. I don't even know if the water got up high enough up here. Oh no, there's something back there in those woods. I don't know what that is. Oh, are you serious? Is that... Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. It's broke. What are the chances I would find a pad on? That kayak's literally like right below here. I guess it's meant to be. All right. Well, the kayak made it to the water. So, I am gonna see if I can paddle this thing upstream now. All right, kind of cool. Oh, let's see how sturdy this thing is. Oh, not too crazy bad. I need the longer, since he's broke, I need the longer one. All right, here we go. Huh, it floats. I'll come over here to this root and see if there's anything. Sitting on the edge of those roots over there. Good. Oh, that was a big old bass. Oh my gosh. Can I get that one again? Oh my, I was kind of swimming it fast and popping it. Let's see if that one will hit again. Dang it. That was a big bass. That was over 2 pounds for sure. Dang it. Well, looks like in this current stuff, I'm gonna have to kind of swim it fast. Give it some pops. No, that canoe is shot. Yep, that canoe's done. What the heck is that? Is that a tote? Some kind of storage? No, it's not. Oh, I know what this is. Check this out. That's my boat with no top. That's crazy. Let's see if I can pull this thing out. Oh my gosh. Check this out. This is a Pelican Bass Raider. This is my exact boat that I've got. And it's got the Haul ID numbers on it. Isn't that crazy? Well guys, this was quite the exploration kind of a day, going bank fishing and ended up down here with a new kayak. But I do believe this swim bait could really catch them if you went down there and you tried with it. It really was attracting a lot of bass, and I had a good 2 or 3 pound bass that really tried to annihilate this thing, but I don't really know. I caught that one good bass right off the bat, and it was just kind of jumping around, but I didn't have a whole lot of time. I'm sure I could have probably tried a little bit more time with this thing, but it's so small. I just wanted to try to catch a bigger bass on it, and I know I've caught bass period with this thing in the past because I've used it before. But anyways, let me know if you guys have used this little cream spoiler shad before, because it definitely works. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.